Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. If you guys haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps out the channel and you can stay up to date on your favorite cryptocurrencies. We're looking at Bitcoin in this video and it's currently down less than 1%. You know, I'm not going to zoom in on any shorter time frame. Look how choppy it is. But if we go ahead and look at this, the little volume, sellers brought it down, buyers brought it straight back up. So we are still bullish at this moment. But again, if I use the left rule, there's things to the left. So it's not, I wouldn't make a trade just based off this, but if we look at price action, the buyers are in control. But it's not enough confirmation for me. And again, it's way too choppy, so I would never trade this. And I even on the 1 day, it's way too choppy. But if we go ahead and look, I mean, we need to have a red day soon. We are engulfed in this previous candle, which is not good per se. That could be an indication that we will have a red day tomorrow or either. So it depends what it does for the rest of the day. We have 10 hours left. That's weird. We're up, but the change, I guess this is from midnight or something like that. But if we go ahead and if we have, again, the open and the close, if this is open and close is still in the wicks and all the highs are all in between the open and close of the previous candle, this could be a sign of a reversal, not really a reversal, but maybe a pullback, potentially to 38,000 or even hopefully higher than this low, which is at like 39,000. But again, we don't have too much support. Again, this is a strong support at 38. So I think if we stay above 38, we're going to be good. If we break 38,000, then it's going to not look as promising for Bitcoin because I want to keep this uptrend. I think that would be nice if we keep this, maybe come down, bounce off this trend line and continue to push up, maybe break through that support or that previous resistance that everybody's talking about on TikTok. Everyone's saying, oh, if we break this level, we're good, we're in the clear. No. This is a previous resistance. Yes, this acts as very strong resistance, but it does not mean that we're in the clear at all. I have this box solely because it's the 50% Fibonacci level. I'm going to go ahead and actually adjust this because I want it to be a little bit cleaner. I'm not going to do a box, I'm going to do an array right on that level. It's 45,000. So either this is the 50% level. This will determine if we are just retracing back and continuing, or if we are going to break through, find support, and then a potential reversal. So this could be considered a double bottom, and that's what we want to look for. Honestly, we did make a new low or higher low, so that is promising. That could be considered a sign of a reversal with an uptrend. So we really have to see what will happen within the next few days. Again, by the end of July, we will see what's happening. Unless it consolidates sideways, we won't know unless it breaks either this 50% level or breaks this 45. Again, people don't know where it's going to go. Like right now, people have no idea if it's going to go up, down, sideways, whatever. If it breaks, find supports, it has a higher probability. So it's all about finding and setting up the stock and finding the perfect situations where you have the higher odds. So we really have to figure out what is going to happen with Bitcoin and the whole crypto market, because we did have increasing volume. See, this had very little volume, but it was a very bullish candle. And once we had some higher volume, that's when we didn't really see. We closed up here, but we opened down here. That was a huge gap down. So we had to fill that gap. And now potentially people might be taking some of their profits. And that's why there's a wick right there, because people took profits when it gapped down. And when it pulled up, that's when people usually take their profits. Again, I said take profits. They enter when it gaps down because they think, again, that's just how gaps work. So we really got to be careful on what's going to happen here. Let's go and take a peek at a weekly chart. Again, okay, I hate how it zooms out like that. It fucking sucks, but you know, it's whatever. It's whatever. Again, we're in a nice uptrend, so we need to break this. This could be, what if this is a nice cup and handle? Again, if that will put us at I'm gonna go ahead and use this line. We go ahead and use a measured move. I'll put us at around $56,000 for that cup and handle to find resistance, which is a good price target for Bitcoin. If we do crack that uptrend before we actually continue to pull back, and again that kind of lines up perfectly. That's 60. 55 is around here. You know, a little some good resistance there with multiple touches. But we really have to see, again, with increasing volume, and we want to keep this uptrend. We could pull back down, potentially all the way down to 37. We could pull back down to anywhere, as long as we hold this good uptrend. We touch it 1, 2, 3 times. Now looking for the fourth touch, and then a breakthrough. And then that's when I'm looking to actually break this $45,000 level of support. And that's really all we have to really look for. So stay safe out there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps out the channel, and you can stay up to date on your favorite cryptocurrencies. Love y'all. Peace.